Hi, my name's Alex Carlucci with GusandJoe.com, and I'm here answering people's questions, and I have one on my list here, what's a credit report? So people don't even know what a credit report is. So let me tell you what a credit report is. A credit report is a group of 3 companies, Equifax, Experian, and Transunion, and they get information from the public like banks, creditors, credit card companies, everything, down to child support, alimony, court records. They communicate with the whole country if there's any debt out there against you. It's supposed to report to them. And what they're going to do is they're going to report your late payments to these creditors, or they're going to report these judgments that they find in the courthouse, or they're going to report these collections from companies that you didn't pay 5 years ago. And those 3 companies are going to make up your 3 separate scores. And as a mortgage company, we go off the middle of those 3 scores. So middle, if you're 700, 650, and 600, we're going to price you off the 650. So they all have different scoring systems and different models. So we have no idea what goes into those models, and they don't want us to know what goes into those models because it's a secret. So the better you pay your credit cards on time, the higher your score is going to be. The worse you pay your credit, the lower your score is going to be. If you have no credit whatsoever, nothing bad, nothing good, you're going to have no scores. And then we do alternative credit, which is a whole other video, but just talking about what a credit report is today. So the credit report is the main thing that we use for determining if you qualify for a mortgage. So try to keep your credit scores high by paying your debts on time. That's all I can tell you. Have credit open, pay your debts on time, don't have anything go bad on you, pay your car, don't have it repoed. If you got a cable bill and you switch companies, pay that little $100 that you owed them when you moved away. That little $100 could hurt you from getting a mortgage. So everything affects your credit score. Pay it on time. It's the most important ingredient in getting a mortgage. So give me a call if you got any questions. My phone number is 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.